Hi guys, so today we're gonna open an Althea box. So I got this one a few days ago, pero hindi ko pa binuksan kasi we're gonna open it together. So I'm just gonna grab a scissor. We're gonna cut it. Usually you can just take it off right here to open the packaging, but it's gonna take a while because I'm not that patient, so I'm gonna just cut it. Then Althea logo. So, nag-order ako kasi nakakita ko ng promo box. Ito yung naka-bundle. Naka-bundle. So, first time kong kumuha ng bundle. Usually, pag bumibili ako sa kanila, ako yung pipili kung ano yung mga items. Pero, yung naka-bundle, nagustuhan ko yung mga nakalagay. So, in-order ko yung Althea box. So, ito pala yung itsura niya. May bubble wrap din siya sa loob. That's it. Tapos, yung address tsaka name sa harap. So, nagbago na sila ng box. Dati-rate, it's either pink or a pastel green, blue-green, I think. Mga ganitong kulay. Pero, Althea returns. Ito siguro yung itsura ng Althea box nila. Ang cute to. Dati-rate, bago ako lumipat, ang dami kong collection ng Althea boxes. Ang mura lang kasi ng items nila noon. Tapos, considering na authentic ang mga benta nila, na mas mahal kaysa yung mall prices. Tapos minsan yung mga items na hindi mo mahanap sa mall, mabibili mo doon. Tapos nasa $9.99 lang yata yung free shipping. Pero I think ngayon nasa 2,000 na yung free shipping. So ito, hindi ako naka-free shipping kasi I think nasa 1.3 yung amount ng whole box. So, what's up? So this is how it looks like. So, I have a carnival ticket. Don't know what this means. Admit 1. Althea turns 4. Oh, giveaway. July 1st to July 31st. Like, I received this one August. No, 30. Oo nga pala. Sana binuksan ko na. August 3 na ngayon. I think I received this. Saan may calendar? July 30. So, nakaabot pa sana ako ng 31st. Well, anyway. It's okay. Gusto ko kasing buksan na video. Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng time. Anyway, so it came with this three sheet masks, green tea, and Mamonde Rose Moisturizing Flowerlab Essence Mask. Cute. Rose. Can't remember the last time I've used sheet mask. Dati-rati, nung na-discover ko yung Althea, na-addict ako. Ang dami kong in-order noon, kaya nga ako nakakolekta ng maraming boxes. Parang malapit na akong mamulubi. Dahil na-addict ako sa skincare noon. Anyway, mga core yan to try na. The rest, Meron sila. Althea turns 4. Pero nagmahal sila. Ito pa sila nagmamahal. Charot. So, ito. HMR tayo. HMR. But, ASMR tayo. Can you hear that? Maririnig mo ba yun? I don't know how this sounds. But let's quit it. So, ang hirap na buksan. IOPE Hyaluronic. Yeah. Hyaluronic cream. Hyaluronic cream. I think wala siyang masyadong amoy. That's a good thing for skincare. Kasi pag masyadong ma-fragrant yung excuse me. Kasi kung masyadong fragrant yung skincare mo, kung masyadong maraming fragrance, that's actually considered one of the sensitizing products. It's not actually good for the skin fragrance. So, ito, I think these are freebies kasi sample share na to. Sample din na to. Yung Laneige na water sleeping mask. Meron din ako ganito, pero hindi ko pa nagagamit. Tapos ito yung pinaka-excited ako. Ito yung beauty water. By the way, nalagay din yung tatlong to sa bubble wrap. Ang laki pala niyan, no? Ito, look at the packaging, girl. Ang simple lang niya. I like it simple. It's the beauty water, cleanse, tone, and lightly exfoliate by Son&Park. Sikat na sikat ko to sa mga beauty vloggers. Ang laki pala niya, oh. Ayan, oh. Look. Tatagal to. Ilang ml to? Wow. Guys, ito lang yung nakalagay na description. Ito. Tsaka ito. Ito, description lang. It's a smart cleansing liquid based on natural plant therapy that where is my English? Exfoliates and moisturizes skin at once. Beauty water can be used daily, morning and evening. It is recommended as the first step for the perfect makeup. It cleanses any old dead skin cells to make skin feel sleek and soft. It contains an array of skin-loving ingredients to boost skin's moisture immediately. Beauty water is also an ideal way to refresh skin anytime you want. Midday or when washing with cleanser isn't an option. You'll instantly feel how young and healthy your skin is after this beauty water. And it's, meron pa pala siyang description dito. 340 ml. And it's good for 12 months. Son&Park.com. So this is not actually a need, an essential in a beauty regimen. So, pwede siyang toner, para siyang cleanser, tapos pwede mo siyang ilagay sa spray bottle, pang facial mist throughout the day. So, and it's sealed. I'm excited to use this. So, let's check out the next one. Skin Relief Calming Cream. Ito, product to ni Althea mismo. Dati-dati nung na-discover ko pa lang sila, wala silang product na Althea talaga. Para silang distributor ng products. Pero ngayon, nag-start sila sa Althea Velvet Petal Powder, I think. Tapos ngayon, may skincare line na sila. So, sinama nila yung Skin Relief Calming Cream, Panthenol Pro Vitamin Moisture Soothing Care Deep Sea Water. I think this is a moisturizer kasi yung nakalagay sa likod, it's in Korean, so I can't really read it. But I think this is a moisturizer. Tapos, naka-seal din siya. And, wala na akong moisturizer, so sakto. I'm gonna open it. Let's try this. So that's it's. Hindi ko tinakpan. Basta ganun. Oh. May amoy siya na parang gamot. Pero hindi naman siya mabaho. Tsaka hindi siya tumatagal. Wala na agad yung amoy niya. Look at that. You only need a little. Kasi matagal siyang ma-absorb. I think this is more like kasi may medyo sticky siya. Ano yung parang amoy ng candy na menthol na. Oh, parang siyang yung may amoy siyang candy eh. Basta parang peppermint na candy, I think. Basta amoy candy. May fragrance pa to. Paano natin malalaman in Korean? Anyway, basta I think this is best for nighttime moisturizer. I would not really use this for daytime moisturizer. Tapos ito rin, excited din ako dito. Look at that. Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Serum. Ito, meron siyang ingredients in English. Sodium Hyaluronate. Wag na tayong mukhang alam. Kasi, girl, look at those ingredients. Hindi ko naman alam yung mga yan. Meron siyang natto gum. Well, anyway, it's rich, moist, soothing serum, replenish moisture, gentle and soothing, water-based formula, and vegan-friendly. It's 80 ml. So, I think ito na lang gagawin kong daytime moisturizer. Dati kong ginagamit yung Cosrx na face lotion. Pero, ubos na siya. So, buti na lang. Sumakto yung Althea box. Itash! I don't know about you guys, pero kung matagal na kayong nanonood ng mga beauty vloggers, siguro ilang beses nyo na rin nakita to. Okay. So, it's basically a moisturizing serum that has... let's see. I don't know kung ano yung main ingredient niya, but let's open it. Because I'm excited to try it. Ooh! Cool! Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. Diba, usually pag may nakikita kang ganyan yung packaging, wala siyang cover. Ito may cover siya, besh. Oh, look at that. Ibang level talaga pag Korean products, no? Korean. So, it's not sealed. Kaya pala siya may cover na gano'n. Ito na yung pinaka-seal niya. What seal was I looking for? Baka yung seal na parang gano'n yung hinahanap ko. Basta, wala pa akong na-try na Korean product na walang seal. Meron yung may binigyan ako ng ganito. Sabi ganito, yung Cosrx na facial wash. Eh, syempre, di ba, may seal pa sa loob. Nung, ganun daw siya ng ganun, walang lumalabas. Hindi niya alam na may seal sa loob na kailangan tanggalin. Kasi usually mga ibang products, wala namang ganun eh. So, we're just gonna try this. Bakit wala lumalabas? Pero takot lang ako. Look, it's like a gel consistency. Oh. Ito. Hindi siya masyadong sticky. Meron pa rin malapot na factor. Pero hindi siya ganun ka thick kesa nung kanina. Oh my God, nag-oil up na yung ilong ko. Ito. So, I think I'm satisfied all over. Kasi yung yung mga items na nasa box na to, nasa 3K mahigit pag binili mo sila separately. Pero pag binili mo in one bundle, nasa 1.3 plus shipping, nasa 1/4 something. Naghanap ako ng discount codes online. Type mo lang, Google mo lang, Althea discount codes. Makakahanap ka ng mga discount codes. I don't have a discount code for you yet, guys. Pero I'll try to see what I can find and I'll put it in the description box. So overall, ang plano ko, gonna use this as a toner and a facial mist. Tapos ito, night cream and morning moisturizer. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!